Welcome, welcome. So today we are making banana bread. Our main ingredients: find some bananas, 3-4 bananas, ripe. The ripe bananas are the best, like the ones I have right here. Come on in. And then we'll need 2-3 eggs, melted butter, or half a cup of oil, 1 cup sugar, a teaspoon of baking soda, one and a half all-purpose flour, teaspoon of salt just to balance the ingredients. And then I'm gonna use half a cup of Greek yogurt, and then water, like half a cup of water. You can use milk, but I like the Greek yogurt. It just gives the cake softness, because acidity breaks down the protein. And vanilla, you can add cinnamon, nutmeg, walnuts. I don't have walnuts, so I'm using what I have. I have a masher, or you can use a fork. Mash the bananas. Smells good. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Let's make this banana bread. Honestly, you just need bananas, flour, sugar, a little butter, baking soda, milk, water. I think this is faster. I have 2 eggs, which is fine because I'll add yogurt, which also has the protein. So 2 eggs. If you don't have anything else, or you're using water, you can add 3 eggs. Now I'll use the whisk. I'm gonna just use a whisk. 2 eggs. I love the vanilla. The bananas smell so good, but a little vanilla, it just gives it that oomph. So, what do we use? Teaspoon. I'll go for the teaspoon. Smells good. Mix. Oh, those flavors are so yummy already. And then the melted butter. That's the melted butter, a 1/3 cup. Mix, mix, mix.
Salt.
Little salt, like a pinch or a small, like half a teaspoon, just to give it a balance, because the bananas are sweet. Sugar is sweet.
Butter.
1 cup sugar. You can use an additional 1.5 or brown sugar. I just didn't have it, and it still works. It's just the color. The brown sugar make it more, looks better brown, like a banana bread, but it's a banana bread. Yeah, a teaspoon of baking soda. Oops. Okay. Be back. And then 1.5 cup all-purpose flour. There you go. Mix, mix, mix. My secret ingredient. Drum roll. Greek yogurt. It just makes the cake softer and helps it to raise, because it's got that acidity and it breaks down the gluten in the flour. And don't overmix, but mix well. You can use the mixer, but I don't have one yet. We'll get one. Scrape, mix, mix, mix. So we're almost done. See, it's not too much of a task. And the banana bread is good for breakfast or a snack in the evening. I think I'm almost done. Just make sure I have a good consistency in the mix.
Smells good.
Mix, mix, mix. Guys, have you made banana bread before? Let me know. Welcome in, guys. Thanks for watching. You are awesome. Hoping your season is going well. So I preheat my oven to 350 degrees. This is Fahrenheit.
It's coming in. Just wait. You're interrupting the video. But come try and start.
I have my little helper. Thanks, sweetie. Anytime I cook, they come. They love it. They love to help, especially baking. How is it?
It seems to be doing good.
So,
And it smells more like banana.
yeah, and spray our pan. Just spray. Oh, sorry. You start. Stop being a bit too fakey looking.
See?
The finger. Keep stirring. So yeah, we'll preheat oven to 350 Fahrenheit. That's about 176 centigrade. Okay. For those who use centigrade, 350. I prepped my pan. Sprayed a little oil.
Now you're going to pour it?
Almost there, guys. Wow. Amazing. The color. Everything looks good. And I love glass containers. This is a thick, nice one, oven safe. Gives me good results. Because it might rise all the way to the top. For the banana bread. I think, guys, this looks for cake. Good. I use regular tin. Whatever you have, just adjust the heat. So queen. So 350 is good with the glass. Maybe with if you have a pan, a stainless steel banana pan or bread pan, maybe you go 370. Queen. Okay, we're ready. All done. So the oven is ready. You preheat so that you don't have that sunken effect. Have you finished what she asked you to do?
Yes.
Into the oven. Guys, it's been a while since I made banana bread, but just follow the directions. Thank God for that oven mitt. Wow. That was close. Okay, and then we set the timer. Put 50 minutes, but maybe 45 to 50. So at 45 minutes, you can come check. Love my scented candle. The house smells so good already. Yeah, washing up, and now we wait. Move that green thing.
This one?
Wow.
Professional.
40 minutes later, it's smelling so good, so I'll give it a check. Nice. I like it already. Put my oven mitts. Safety, guys. Okay. Got my little knife. Go in. Go inside, Barty. I know they say to use a toothpick, lakini this one is to, it's a little reason. So I want to check all the way to the bottom. Just a little moist in the middle. Maybe it's the bananas, but the sides are good. So I'll just let it set for the rest of the 10 minutes because it's 40 minutes. Set it for 50. Give it another 10 minutes.
So how many more?
Drum roll. Wow. Beautiful. I checked it again. It's nice and moist. Wow. That glass pan did not disappoint. Wow. Welcome. Come get your slice. Welcome, welcome. Thanks for watching. Smells so good. Banana bread. It's gonna be our new fave. Okay, guys. Subscribe, like, and you'll find more stuff, more content. As you wait for 2025, let me know what y'all doing. Thank you.